हेलो यार, तो हमारा पिछला क्वेश्चन भी छूट गया था, तो उसको भी ट्राई करना है। और जो अभी जो प्रेजेंट है, उसको पहले कुछ सॉल्व कर लेते हैं, फिर विल ट्राई। तो एक डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का प्रॉब्लम है। ये काफी शानदार फंक्शनल इक्वेशन गिवन है, देख सकते हो अपने सामने। दो कुछ एफ एस 01 गिवन है और तना है कौन सा ऑप्शन करेक्ट होगा। ठीक है, तो पहले क्वेश्चन लिखते हैं। क्या लिखा हुआ है? एफ एक्स प्लस वाई। एक मिनट। व्हाट इज द राइट? एफ एक्स, एक सेकंड। हाँ, एफ एक्स प्लस वाई। एक सेकंड। एफ एक्स प्लस वाई प्लस एफ एक्स एफ वाई। एफ एक्स प्लस वाई प्लस एफ एक्स एफ वाई डिवाइडेड बाय 1 प्लस वाई स्क्वायर। 1 plus y square plus fx fy by 1 plus y square plus tan inverse x tan inverse y plus tan inverse x tan inverse y over 1 plus y square tan inverse x tan inverse y, okay, by 1 plus y square equal to 0. And it is given f dash 0 equal to 1. F dash 0 is equal to 1. Okay. So first observation is clearly you can substitute x equals to y equals to 0. So what you got is f of 0 plus f of 0 का square, uh, tan inverse 0 upon is equal to 0. Okay. So here he got as f0 two values, right? f0 is either 0 or -1. Nahin. Okay. The another thing we can do is let us put we can differentiate as well, right? Let us put y equals 0. So this gonna vanish if let's say y equal to 0, we are substituting. So this value is 0 and f is 0. It will be fx into f0. And if f0 is 0, so this is gonna vanish and it will be fx, right? F0 is 0. This will vanish. This will vanish. That implies y equal to 0. F of x equal to 0. If of 0 equal to 0, that implies f x equal to 0, that is an invalid solution, because if f x is 0, f dash 0 equal to 1 is will not gonna hold. So that implies this is invalid, this is valid. ठीक है. Okay, fine. So what we can do is L, what you got to know is f 0 is -1. ठीक है. So now what we can do is we can substitute. Let us suppose we are substituting now y equal to 0. So f of 0 is -1. F of x minus f of x equal to 0. So nothing gonna work, right? Okay, fine. So another thing which we can try is we can differentiate this equation as partially yet. So let us do this thing. Put y equals to constant. Y को constant treat करा और differentiate करते हो. After this, what you can do is f of f dash y constant ले लिया. F dash x plus y, क्योंकि रीजन दिख रहा होगा y constant लेने का, क्योंकि इसके टर्म्स ज्यादा है रिलेटिवली. Plus f dash x plus y plus f dash x f of y over 1 plus y square. F dash x plus y plus f x f y, और ये हो जाएगा प्लस tan इनवर्स. तो ये हो जाएगा tan इनवर्स y over 1 plus x square 1 plus y square. 1 plus x square 1 plus y square equal to 0. ठीक है. This equation fine. Okay, so if let's suppose you are now putting y equals to 0, so it will be f dash x. It's nullifying. Again f dash x minus f dash x is equal to 0. Again no utility. Fine. Okay. But now let us wait again. One thing you can do is you can differentiate with respect to x as well, but it's gonna be sorry, y as well, but you're clearly visible what gonna happen after differentiating with respect to. So we have to accept somehow this is the mental mind. Okay. So what we can do is f dash 0 is 1, we know, okay, f dash 0 is 1. So let us substitute x equals to 0 first. So what we're gonna happen, f dash y plus f dash 0 is 1, that implies fy over 1 plus y square, because f dash 0 is 1 plus x is 0, that implies plus tan inverse y, x is 0, that implies 1 plus y square equal to 0. Now it is clearly a linear differential equation. Nahin? Okay, fine. So what you can do is, at this step is, let us rearrange the terms dy by d. Uh, okay, let me take fine. What you can do is f dash y plus fy over 1 plus y square is equal to tan inverse y, negative of course with negative, minus tan inverse y over 1 plus y square. So here will be integrating factor will be equal to e to the power 1 by 1 plus y square dy. It will be e to the power tan inverse y. So it will be a y into e to the power tan inverse y. Y is a f there, so you have to mention especially. So f of y, let's call it f of y, right? So f of y into e to the power tan inverse y is equal to e to the power tan inverse y into minus tan inverse y over 1 plus y square dy, right? So e to the power tan inverse y, let's substitute as a t. In fact, let us substitute tan inverse t, tan inverse y equals t, so that will be more clear. Tan inverse y equals to t, let's call it dy. In fact, so dy by 1 plus y square equal to du. So there will be a du u into e to the power minus u into e to the power u negative du. So f of y into e to the power tan inverse y is equal to, that will be a, you can do this step as e to the power u into u plus 1 minus 1 du. So that will be a f of y into e to the power tan inverse y minus u e, एक second, e to the power u minus e to the power u plus c. U is tan inverse y, so we got as f of y into e to the power tan inverse y minus tan inverse y e to the power tan inverse y plus tan inverse y. Of course, it is to the power tan inverse y plus c. Let us substitute y equals to 0. F of 0 is minus 1, right? Okay, fine. F of 0 is minus 1, that will be minus 1 into 1 is equal to 0 into something plus 1 into something plus c. That implies c is equals to minus 2 even. I am clear. F of 0, okay. Let me check what comes. Option is minus 1 is there. Yeah, minus 1 is there. Okay. No issues then. Okay. So c is minus 2. So let us divide by tan inverse y, e to the power tan inverse y. So what you got is c is minus 2. So f of y is equal to minus tan inverse y plus 1 plus 2 e to the power tan inverse y. Right, that is the final answer to this problem. Minus tan inverse y plus 1 plus 2 minus 2, right? Minus 2 e to the power minus tan inverse. So there will be a 1 minute plus 1 minus 2 e to the power tan inverse. Let us take the option. Okay. Minus okay, 1 minus 1 is in the middle in my case. Minus tan inverse y plus 1. Okay, okay. Fine. Clearly, A is the correct one. I hope you enjoy the problem. Thank you.